S21 5G. Bought it with a clearly fucked up screen. Now, it's worth buying a new screen? I don't know. Screens are not cheap. It's going to set me back a fair amount to buy a replacement screen for this thing. So it's a lot of money you're spending down it. Or should you wait until the screen gets cheaper and then fix it? And I've been in a situation before when I've done the same thing where I had an S7 Edge, screens were just too much. They still are a bit costly, but then I waited until the phone price, the screen went down. I bought the screen. Now I can't shift this phone. So we're near enough as to how much I bought the screen for. So now that's the interesting. Is it feasible to change the entire LCD? Because it's not just the glass, it's the screen inside that's completely cracked. As you can see, the screen's fucked, bleeding on the LCD there, and the bottom is all flickering and like this as well. So but it's still an expensive phone. S21 5G, and yeah, that's the dilemma. What do you do when you have a phone like this, which is worth quite a fair bit, with a cracked, broken screen? Do you make the jump? Do you buy a replacement LCD? Maybe it works out because the phone's expensive. You know, maybe you can recoup the investment that you made. Choices.